Today I am deep cleaning in my guest bathroom. I am cleaning the linen closet, cabinets, walls, tub, toilet, and floors to show this area in my home some love. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I am completing week 13 of the 100 Days to a Cleaner Home Challenge. This week I am cleaning and decluttering in my guest bath. This video will feature 5 days of cleaning motivation. I cleaned everything from the ceiling to the floor. This week is packed with cleaning motivation for whatever stage of cleaning you are in. This challenge is hosted by my sweet friend Danielle. She is straight up rocking this challenge. I think we've both gotten behind a little bit, but we are still trucking along. I will link her channel in my description box below. This is also day 3 of Vlogmas, so happy Vlogmas. So grab a cup of coffee or tea or a duster or even a scrubber and let's get busy deep cleaning in my guest bathroom. So today I'm cleaning out this guest linen closet. It's in total chaos. I have a couple of blankets on the top shelf. Then I have it looks like a pile of sheets. I have some, I don't know, I just have stuff kind of thrown in here. Again, just some extra towels. There's just a blanket on that shelf, and then there's a basket of toilet paper. So I'm going to start by removing everything and then putting it back in nice and neatly.
Snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every season,
I wanted to remove everything first, and then I wanted to give the linen closet a good wipe down.
Child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas.
I was trying to decide how I wanted to store the blankets, and I decided that I wanted to roll them, and I'm just doing that on my guest bed, and I'm folding the towels on my guest bed. And yes, the dogs decided to roll around on the guest bed, so I had to straighten that up later. So that's why the pillows are kind of out all over the place.
It's promised for this day.
am honestly so pleased with how it turned out. I think it looks warm and inviting. And just a little tip, I store my sheets in a pillowcase that matches that sheet set, and I just thought that I would share that with you guys. And then I had some stuff that I wanted to declutter, but I was like, you know what, I might use this stuff. So it's stuff like old towels and old sheets. Like if we paint, sometimes we put old sheets down or old towels for cleaning. So I actually put them in bins and labeled them to put out in the garage so that I could use those at a later date. So that's what I decided to do with those. Then I moved into the bathroom itself and I cleaned out the cabinet under the sink. I did that by removing everything and giving everything, like looking through everything, deciding if there was anything that I needed to declutter, any clutter that I needed to declutter. Got tongue-tied there. And I just wiped everything down and put everything back in. I just want to take a moment, if you are new to my channel, and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I do lots of homemaking motivation on my channel. I also have two other channels. One is Live Love from the Heart, and the other channel is Atypical Housewife, atypical being one word, and I would love to have you on those channels as well. And yes, this is a 100-day challenge along with Vlogmas, and I am so loving this cleaning challenge as I go throughout my home and do just a little bit every day, and it makes such a big difference. And I was going to say, if you are new, I would love to have you in my growing YouTube family. It's completely free. Just click on that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are turned on so you do not miss any videos.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
So I did clean the walls in here, but we have not painted this room yet. We are in the process of painting. So yeah, so there's still some little spots that need to be painted over. And now this is the next day, and I am cleaning the tub, the sink, and the toilet. And I have my hair just thrown up on top of my head because, you know, I knew I was going to be doing some deep cleaning, and I had a little bit more time on this day. So yeah, I'm just cleaning the shower, trying to make it look nice and presentable, and then I'm going to clean the mirror and the sink, and then I am going to take the lid in just a little bit off of my toilet, like the toilet lid. And I don't know if you guys have this issue or not, but this is a reminder to you guys to take that lid off every once in a while and clean under it, because I know in our case product builds up, because I do sanitize in the bathrooms a lot, and that product will build up under the seat, and so it turns like a color. So you definitely need to make sure to clean that.
It's Christmas Eve, and I've still got nothing for you. I'm out on a last minute spree, hoping to find that something that makes you see that I love you.
I've been out running all day, nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner of this godforsaken mall. What in the world would be that something that made you see that I love you?
All I've got to give for Christmas is this: a Christmas kiss. Close your eyes and pucker your lips, 'cause here it is.
As I prepare for the final day, I want to take just a moment to thank you guys for spending part of your day with me. Remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today, and check out Danielle's channel as well. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. And I love you guys.
Your Christmas.
It's something no one else is getting.
It's something you won't be soon forgetting. It's something we can share and take